Come test drive the 2016 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find rear view camera, power seats, heated seats, Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.